Atlantic hurricane season has been pretty tame so far. We've only had 4 named storms up to this point and only 1 hurricane, and we're starting to work closer to the peak part of hurricane season. Why has it been so tame so far? We're actually running at or even slightly below normal activity levels, and it's related to what we call El Nino. El Nino is a condition of very warm ocean waters just off the west coast of South America and ultimately leads to stronger winds aloft across the Atlantic. This creates what we call wind shear. Basically, it means that winds aloft are moving in different directions or at different speeds, which actually topple over thunderstorms. It prevents organized development of storms. But things are about to change as we close out August and start September. A wave of upward motion is going to work across the Atlantic Ocean, which will help trigger more thunderstorm activity and eventual tropical development. We are also going to see that jet stream shift further off to the north, which will lower that wind shear and increase the potential for storms to develop. Right now, it looks like the best chance will be out in the Atlantic or up the East Coast, but there is a wave we need to watch in the Gulf of Mexico later next week. We also have to keep in mind, we're not even to the peak of hurricane season just yet, and with the very, very warm ocean waters in the Atlantic right now, near record levels, we certainly need to continue to be aware that hurricane season still has a very long way to go.